What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna teach you how to do face tracking since you are slow as shit. So, want this sexy ass face tracking? Again, because you are slow as shit. Now do what I do. Put the circle on where you want the tracking to be. Don't leave big gaps, leave around 2 to 5 frames for each keyframe. I left more than 5 frames of space, but don't mind that, mind your own fucking business. I recommend you to skip a little bit, because this is going to be boring. Never mind, listen to this fucking banger. Add tiles to fill the black borders. Now mess with the position to keep the character on the center. Yeah, that's it. Pretty fucking depressing, but whatever. Thank you so much for the support on the last tutorial, and if you haven't seen it, well, what the fuck are you doing? Go check it. Comment what tutorial you would like me to do next.